Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Momentum Finance and Stock Investment channel. Apple stock price has just jumped to over $400 post-market close as it beats analysts' expectation on the sales of iPhone and its other product and service categories. According to the latest earnings report for Q3 of 2020, Apple beat analyst estimates on the top and bottom line with revenues up 11% on the year to reach $59.69 billion. Apple's Q3 revenue breakdown includes $26.4 billion revenue from iPhone, which beats analyst estimates of only $22.20 billion in iPhone sales. $13.16 billion in service revenue, up almost 15% year over year. $7.08 billion revenue from Mac, up 21.63% year over year. $6.58 billion revenue from iPad sales, up 31.04% growth year over year. And lastly, $6.45 billion revenue from wearables, home, and accessories, up 16.74% year-over-year growth. What's more, Apple's board of directors has approved a 4-for-1 stock split effective August 31st. That means that for each share of Apple stock that an investor owns, they'll receive 3 additional shares. It also makes single shares in Apple more affordable for new investors to buy. This follows a similar move by Apple made in 2014 when it offered a 7-to-1 stock split. At the time, Apple was trading above $600 per share. That split back in 2014 brought shares of Apple to about $92 per share. Stock splits are cosmetic and do not fundamentally change anything about the company other than possibly making the shares accessible to a larger number of investors because of their cheaper price. This is Apple's 5th stock split since it went public. Apple's board of directors has declared a cash dividend of 82 cents per share of the company's common stocks. The dividend is payable on August 13, 2020 to shareholders of record as of the close of business on August 10, 2020. Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, said, "Apple's record June quarter was driven by double-digit growth in both products and services and growth in each of our geographic segments. In uncertain times, this performance is a testament to the important role our products play in our customers' lives and to Apple's relentless innovation. This is a challenging moment for our communities, and from Apple's new $100 million racial equity and justice initiative to a new commitment to be carbon neutral by 2030, we're living the principles that what we make and do should create opportunity and leave the world better than we found it." Looking at Apple's projected revenue for 2020, it is estimated to be at $264.08 billion and to grow to $295.95 billion in 2021. As for earnings per share for Apple stock, it is estimated to reach $12.40 per share in 2020 and $14.84 per share in 2021. Apple's stock is showing a forward price to earnings ratio of 30.65 and has a forward dividend yield of 0.86%. Looking at valuation metrics, it has a trailing 12 months price to book value of 20.96. As for profitability metrics, Apple has a gross profit margin of 38.11%, a net income margin of 21.35%, and a return on equity of 62.09%. Personally, I own shares of Apple and I intend to build a larger position in this stock when the stock price dips. Do you own shares of Apple? What do you think of the prospects of Apple stock? Let me know in the comment section down below. There you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly videos about stock market investing and finances. Hope to see you next time.